Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use OpenHealth. It's going to be a walkthrough. It's a platform designed to revolutionize how healthcare data is managed, shared, and utilized. And let's show why it's useful, why it was created, and who can benefit from it. OpenHealth is useful because healthcare data is mostly fragmented. A lot of doctors have the puzzles to the problem itself, but given the context, doctors are mostly guessing most of the time. So OpenHealth is meant to provide a centralized solution to store, manage, and analyze healthcare records efficiently. Um, it allows you to have better diagnosis, faster treatment decisions, and improved patient outcomes with with the prompt and just showing how you do it. And you can pretty much store your sources over here. There's personal info. You can add source here, or you can just input sources like name, height, date of birth, etc. And then we'll be filling this out in the demo portion. And why was OpenHealth created? It was created just to make sure that there's like a centralized diagnosis with all the context available. As you can see here, uh, it is a world-class doctor with a patient-centered approach diagnosing and treating health issues. Uh, the the person who created OpenHealth actually um, had an immuno disorder, and doctors kept misdiagnosing him, and he created this solution here. And who would use OpenHealth? OpenHealth would essentially be to maintain patient records for hospital and clinics. Doctors and professionals can retrieve the patient history, improving care efficiency, and government and public health organizations for health initiatives and monitoring diseases, researchers and universities for health data, and then the patients just to gather advice and access their own medical records, and just being able to have the entire picture from the diagnoses. And let's go ahead and show you how this works. Um, Over here, I am using OpenAI's model. You can use any other one. And make sure you choose 4.0. I've had issues with the other models, so I'm just sticking with 4.0. And you input the API key here. For obvious reasons, I can't show you my API key. And here's the system prompt. World-class doctor with a systematic patient-centered approach. Your primary goal is to identify the root cause of symptoms. And then this is the assistant mode, which is the system prompt. It can be family medicine, orthopedic specialist, clinical nutritionist, exercise, and internal medicine. So let's just switch it over to exercise and rehab coach. And let's go ahead and, since we already set this model should be able to reply. And let's go ahead and fill out the personal info. So let's see. Let's create in order to create this aspect. And let's just go to chat. Pretty much do this. All right. All right, let's create John Doe. Birth date 85/7/21. All right, height 175, weight 78, blood type O plus, O positive, sorry. And let's see, family history. Make more detailed family history in bullet points. It's a text box I'm filling out. All right. Let's go ahead and modify this a little bit. And then here. All right. And we have all this data here. Now we're just going to go back and we're going to ask, let's see, let's ask the exercise specialist, what are some dietary and exercise tips I can do based off my family history? All right, and it's going to keep going. Yeah, I get this error a lot. I normally have to go back and just go ahead and kickstart it. Oh, not this one. Here. And then, yeah, there we go. And now it works. All right, and let's just take a look. Given your family history of diabetes and hypertension, healthy weight, nutritionalist, fiber rich, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, limit sugar, incorporate fats like fish, flax seeds, low sodium, calcium, 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise, strength training twice a week, stretching, yoga, tai chi, blood pressure, stress management, consistency and progression, consulting with a healthcare provider, considering your current health parameters. So it gives you a really in-depth explanation on based off of your medical history. So this technology can certainly be scalable in the future, but right now it's quite slow, and there are many things that we could do with it, like putting it as a widget for any sort of healthcare company right now. But this is the completed demo of Open Health.